I work in the analytics space for a company here in the US. So I'm over the analytics team. And so we do a lot in the cloud and have been kind of on a cloud journey. Prior to being in the analytics space, I spent some time in our infrastructure space, where that was probably my first exposure to cloud and where I kind of got the Cloud Academy access and started playing. The main objective was learning. I had never been exposed to cloud and was really wanting to take it deeper and really make sure that I had a good foundation. One of my responsibilities at the time was starting to kind of set our company's cloud strategy going forward. And so I really wanted to make sure that I was grounded and could talk intelligently both to our internal stakeholders, but as I was dealing with cloud vendors, so that I could get a good understanding there. It was a skill gap that then turned into going after certifications. So I'll kind of couch it with that. As I kind of got the skills under me and got the confidence under me, then I said, let's go do the certifications and start down that path. I ended up getting the AWS Cloud. We focus primarily on AWS. So I have the AWS Cloud Practitioner and the AWS Solutions Architect Associate. As I've kind of moved over into the analytics space, I'm finishing up a degree right now, a master's degree. So I don't have a whole lot of time, but my next kind of goal is to get the machine learning specialty and the data architecture, I think is what they call it, whatever their big data certification is at this point in time. So those are kind of my next two goals, and that's where I'll be pretty heavily back out in Cloud Academy looking at the training. I'll take a couple hours a day and go through some of the training modules. That slowly devolved into, it's very unstructured and just kind of hit it when I have time. But in doing that, I could take my lunch break at work or something like that and really jump in and knock out a couple of quick sessions. Then was able to pretty quickly get that confidence up, as well as it also, as I was going through some of the training, it gave me the opportunity to bounce off some internal colleagues who were more skilled than I was and say, hey, this is what I'm learning. Have we thought about this? Have we thought through this? I love the playground aspect of being able to get in and play and get hands-on. I think that's critical in all of this training. And at the same time, not necessarily having to worry about, oh crap, did I leave something spun up in my own environment? The fact that you guys kind of articulate the playgrounds and say, this is what we're doing, and I don't have to worry about it because, I have unfortunately shot myself in the foot a couple of times and paid, Amazon some bills because I wasn't expecting, because, I left something up. I enjoy the platform, and I think the learning paths are going to be another one that I really need to dig into some more. So can't really say I have a favorite instructor. I think everyone I've had has been good. They all bring a different approach from their skill sets, which I enjoy kind of getting that different and broad view of things.